Unlock the power of effortless social media growth with SOMIIBO, your all-in-one automation secret weapon. First, let's get your accounts connected. Simply navigate to the Accounts section in SOMIIBO and select the platforms you want to manage, like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Follow the prompts to securely link your profiles. Now, the magic happens as we create tasks. Go to the Tasks menu and click Add Task. You'll see a variety of options to automate your actions. Let's start with scheduling posts. Choose post content, upload your image or video, write your engaging caption, and select the perfect time for your audience. SOMIIBO handles the rest. Want to boost engagement? Set up automated interactions. For example, you can create a task to automatically like posts containing specific hashtags related to your niche or follow users who show interest in similar topics. SOMIIBO's scheduling feature ensures your content is consistently published and your engagement is ongoing. Even when you're busy or offline, you can fine-tune these tasks to fit your specific strategy. By automating these repetitive tasks, you free up valuable time, allowing you to focus on creating even better content and building genuine connections. Watch your online presence flourish with increased likes, comments, and followers. SOMIIBO is your key to efficient social media marketing. Start automating today and watch your online presence soar.